Hello guys, in Eloquent, if you have a HasMany relationship but you want to show only the latest record. In this video I will show you Eloquent relationship kind of trick or functionality called latest of many. It was released in Laravel 8 and what it allows you to do is, for example, you have a table. In this case it's a filament table, but it doesn't really matter. For example, if some order has many records of status, it will show you only the last one. So in the database we have this order ID 1 and then the history of that order changes, but the table shows only the completed status, this one. So if we click view in the filament, it shows the whole history of pending, processing and then completed, but the table shows only the last one. So it's both. You can have HasMany relationship and then on top of that you can have a has1 relationship to the latest record. Here's how it looks in the code. So Eloquent model order with order statuses, a relationship with HasMany, and by default order by, that's optional, but also another relationship called current status, which returns has1 relationship. So you have has1 with order status, the same thing with latest of many. And you define that latest of many by created at or other column. In fact, created at is the default value. I just wanted to show you that it is possible to customize, but even if we delete that column as a parameter, the result will be still the same. Let's look at it from another angle. In my Tinkervel, I load order with statuses and with current status as well. So this is the result. Order, and order statuses HasMany returns a collection of statuses, so 3 statuses in general, the history, but current status returns one Eloquent object, order status, with the fields that you actually need. If anyone cares about the filament solution, in the order resource is just column of current status.name and filament under the hood executes the query with the relationship eager loaded. If you want more tips about Laravel, subscribe to the channel, but if you want to dive deeper into Eloquent specifically, like relationships and all of that, Eloquent topic deeper, one of my courses at Laravel Daily, one of the most popular ones, is Eloquent Expert Level, recently updated to Laravel 11 with a lot of topics, and Eloquent Relations has a section of its own with a lot of different subtopics and examples. That course is available for premium members of Laravel Daily, as well as more than 60 at this point other courses and premium tutorials. I will link this course in the description below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.